Hi there, boys and girls. Today, for math time, we are going to explore teen numbers, and we're going to build some numbers with craft sticks. But before we build with craft sticks, let me push these aside. You probably remember, I hope you do, our linking cubes. And so I've got a stick of linking cubes. Let's count together how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got one group of 10. I'm going to bring some other ones over here. So I've got one group of 10. And I have these 3 individual ones. I could break them apart and make them individual, or I can keep them together. They would be the same if I take them apart and put them together, right? How many are here? 1, 2, 3. If I have 1 10 and 3 ones, the number is 13. Well, let's try another one. What if I do this? Let me erase my 3 here. I'm going to stick to my 110, okay? So I've still got this 110. I'm going to put it right over there. And this time I have some other ones. Again, they could be separate or they could be together. They would be the same. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I have 110 and 7 ones, the number is 17. So we did that a lot with our linking cubes earlier in the year. Today we're going to use popsicle sticks. So I'm going to start by counting a group of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can see I kind of piled them up there. In fact, I covered my number. So that is one group of 10. Now I have some extra popsicle sticks over here. Let me pull those over here. I've got 1, 2. I'm going to use those down here. 1, 2. So if I have 2 popsicle sticks all by themselves and one grouped together, that makes the number 12. Well, let's double check and make sure we are right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's a lot easier to count if you have a group of 10 and 2 separate ones. It's a lot easier to see that number. So let's go ahead and do this a couple more times together, okay? I've got some baggies of sticks here. I'm going to dump them out for you to see, and we're going to count together. So first, I want to make my group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh my goodness, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And then I've got some extra ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have one group of 10 and 4 ones. How many sticks do I have altogether? 14. My 4 is in the ones place and my 1 is in the tens place. Let's do it again. All right, let me get another baggie here. Put these guys away. All right, this baggie looks pretty full. My goodness. Okay, here we go. We're going to count, and I'll cover these numbers this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my pile of 10. Let's see how many extras I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have one group of 10. I'll put the 1 in the 10 spot. And 6 ones. My number is 16. My 6 is in the 1 spot. My 1 is in the 10 spot. I'm showing you 16. Excellent. We'll do one more together, and then you're going to do some building today on your own. Let me flip my paper over so we have a fresh slate here. Boy, do we miss our whiteboards, huh? All right. So let's make a pile of 10 to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then our individuals, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, there's a lot here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This time there is one group of 10. That's right here. One group of 10. And there are 9 individuals. 9 singles. 9 all by themselves. That makes the number 19. But what would happen if I move these and cover over this number? I kept my one group of 10. And I added one more to my 9. Now that would be a group of 10. Well, I would have 2 groups of 10. Do I have any extras? 0. There's 0 extras. 0 ones by themselves. This shows me 20, and I can count it. 10, 20. My 0's in the 1 spot, and my 2's in the 10 spot. That's how I write 20. So, some of you might have popsicle sticks around your house, but if you don't, that's okay. I bet you could go outside and find some sticks and practice this yourself. And if you do that, would you please post a picture for me? I would love to see how many sticks you can find in your backyard. And make sure you write your number after you put them together. Okay, so that is an option for you. Now, an assignment I have for you to do today is page 19. Mom and Dad can print it for you. You're going to estimate, you're going to grab some sticks and estimate how many you have. Now, if you do sticks from the yard, that's what you do. You get some sticks, break them up, estimate how many you think. Remember, estimate is a guess. It's okay to be wrong. Then you're going to count how many sticks and write it here. And then you're going to show me I have how many groups of 10 and how many ones. And then you're going to write it in your 10 frame. So if I have one group of 10, I'll fill up a hole. And if I have 4 extra, I'm going to fill 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to write 10 plus 4 equals 14, if that was my number. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to find some sticks. And if you don't have sticks, be creative, okay? You can work with something else. You can estimate something else. Just remember to always make a pile of 10 with whatever you're counting with. And I cannot wait to see your pictures and to see what you're going to be doing at home. Some of your yards have lots of sticks in them. Some of them don't. So whatever you choose to do, or if you have popsicle sticks, that's great too. There's no wrong way to count. Well, I guess there's a wrong way to count. There's no wrong thing to use to count, okay? So have fun doing this, and I look forward to seeing your pictures and your work online, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.